Have you ever wondered how your money can grow exponentially? Picture this. Instead of your savings just sitting there, they're multiplying, becoming bigger and bigger over time. Imagine your money not just doubling or tripling, but expanding at a rate that might surprise you. It's not a pipe dream. It's a reality for many who understand the right financial principles. You might be asking yourself, how is such growth even possible? Well, there's a secret to this magic, and it's called compound interest. So, what exactly is compound interest? Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it descends, it picks up more snow, growing larger and larger with each roll. This is a simple way to understand the power of compound interest. It's something that starts small, but as it rolls down the hill of time, it gathers more and more, growing exponentially. Let's break it down further. Compound interest is the interest you earn not just on your original investment, but also on the interest that investment has already earned. It's interest earning on interest. Think of it this way. You start with a modest snowball at the top of the hill. This is your initial investment. As it rolls down, it picks up a layer of snow. That's your first round of interest. Now the snowball is bigger. As it continues to roll, it picks up even more snow, but it's not just picking up snow on the original snowball, it's also picking up snow on the new layer. This is your interest earning on interest. With each roll, the snowball, your investment, grows larger and larger. And the beautiful part is, the longer the hill, the bigger the snowball gets. The longer you let your investment grow, the larger it becomes. So, the equation for compound interest might seem complex, but it's really just the math behind this simple yet powerful idea. It's the math that allows your snowball to grow, not just in size, but exponentially. So, as you can see, compound interest is like a snowball of money that keeps growing as it rolls down the hill of time. Now that we understand what compound interest is, let's explore why it's so powerful. Imagine you're planting a seed. Over time, that seed sprouts, grows, and eventually bears fruit. But what's truly remarkable is that the tree doesn't just produce a single piece of fruit, it yields fruit year after year. That's the nature of compound interest. It's not just about growth, but exponential growth. One of the greatest benefits of compound interest is its ability to generate wealth over time. Let's say you make a modest initial investment of $1,000 with an annual interest rate of 5%. In 10 years, thanks to compound interest, your investment would have grown to over $1,600. But let's not stop there. If you let it sit for another 20 years, that same investment would be worth over $4,500. That's more than quadruple your initial investment, all without you lifting a finger. Compound interest also helps fight against inflation. Inflation is the rise in prices over time, which means your dollar today will be worth less tomorrow. But with compound interest, your money grows at a faster rate than inflation, preserving your purchasing power and ensuring your savings don't lose value. Moreover, compound interest encourages saving and investing. It rewards patience and discipline. The longer your money is invested, the more it compounds, and the larger your wealth grows. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger as it goes along. It's a compelling reason to start saving and investing sooner rather than later. To sum up, compound interest is like a magic money-growing tree. It's a powerful tool that can help you build wealth, fight inflation, and encourage financial discipline. It's not just about getting richer, it's about securing a more comfortable and stable financial future. So, through the power of compound interest, your money doesn't just increase, it multiplies. In summary, compound interest is a powerful tool for growing your money exponentially. Let's take a quick journey back through what we've uncovered today. Compound interest, in its simplest form, is the interest on interest. It's the snowball effect in action, where your capital increases not just from your initial investment, but also from the accumulated interest over time. This financial wonder works best when given time. The longer you leave your money, the more it grows, creating a snowball of wealth. It's a tried and true method that savvy investors and financial planners have used for years to grow their wealth. What's most exciting is the potential compound interest offers to each of us. It's not just for the Wall Street whizzes or the financial elite. Anyone can tap into this power, and with a little patience and discipline, see their money grow. So next time you think about your money, remember, compound interest is your key to exponential growth. Turn your pennies into a fortune with the power of compound interest.